You don't know what a white pie is?
No. What's a white pie?
Come on, bro.
What's a white pie?
What do you mean? It's no
Just
sauce.
what? Just what?
So
Just,
then you use garlic and olive oil, and then you get like.
just one cheesy bread. On pizza. There's so many better options.
You never had white pie?
You sound like Billy. You come with just fucking cheese and spinach.
What is up, viewers of the YouTube, followers of Jesus Christ? We're here. I'm not really even sure where we are. I think this is the property, boys. And then, do I drive in the back? I haven't been here in a minute. This is Bad Friends crew place. What if I get stuck back here in this fucking thing? I don't want to get stuck. We'll just keep rolling. Let's see what the boys are up to. This is, what do they call this place again? Battlegrounds, Bad Friends crew. Heavy. Haven't been here in a while. This is this guy's house right here. He's a legend.
Barron, I know, but he had a plumbing emergency this morning.
I'm always plumbing.
You checking the wife's pipe?
All right.
You can hit that, bro. You got the tabletop.
Now we're in cinematic, dude. Oh my gosh. You look pretty good in cinematic. You got this thing's done, this beast?
Nah. Needs a new starter.
Is that yours?
I just gotta hit it full throttle.
You hit jumps on that,
I
Dan?
tried to. Didn't work very well. It was just the steering. All of a sudden, you're fucking up a berm. It's fucked up.
Back at the battlegrounds, boys. I don't think I'm gonna be shredding here, but pretty cool to see the boys. Look at this guy. Young Shredder. Ty Chez. What? What?
Doctor says I got the symptoms. Who the fuck likes doing long division? You can see a boob on television. They call it scumbag dereliction. Baby, I'm a dreamer.
Yeah, big dog.
The sky to you, the movie staring out the window.
Good choice, bro. How many pizzas are we getting? 3, 4? Is everybody
3.
gonna eat?
3?
I don't eat it. I'm not eating any.
Not eating anything?
I'll definitely eat.
Do 3.
What kind should we get? Should we get a white and a couple?
Fucking white.
What's a white?
Fuck is that
You
shit?
don't know what a white pie is?
What's a white pie?
Come on, bro.
What's a white pie?
What do you mean? It's no
Just what?
sauce.
Just what?
So
Just,
then you use garlic and olive oil, and then you get like.
just one cheesy bread. On pizza. There's so many better options.
You never had white
You
pie?
sound like Billy. You come with just fucking cheese and spinach.
First experience at the Railroad Deli, boys. Cold drinks, ATM, subs, lottery, and world-class pizza. Oh, dude, by the way, they surf here. What's the status around here, dude?
They don't have any Tabasco, right?
How's that meat look? Looks kind of like my meat.
Please.
When did you find out you were a legend?
Thanks, guys.
Huh?
I'm a legend.
I know, but how long did it take for you to find out you were a legend?
I wanted that pizza.
Oh, you really want that pizza?
What did you do that
White pie, dog.
How's the white pie, boys?
That's the white pie, dude.
Damn, dog.
No, we were acting like you've never seen white pie
I
before.
think like a straight white pie though. Like what you say?
cheese
That's garlic. That's just garlic bread. It's not just garlic bread. You know? That shit looks dirty, man. I'm gonna eat it.
What do you got in your pockets, boss?
What's in your pockets?
What's
What's in your pockets? French fries.
Legend. What are you keeping there for later?
You didn't hit this with the torch and try to push them forward?
Nice. You taking them home?
Listen, dude, I'm. My currency skills were done for today, dog.
mod?
It's called, what do they call it in a car when you fucking, it's cruise control.
Cruise control. You can't have that.
Wonder where all my friends disappeared to. Margate, can you see that city with a clear view? Only ever said, it's always better when I got you in my hand. I ain't got no fucking time. I ain't got no reason and I ain't got no fucking rhyme. The only one who understands. Sitting in the liquor store inside a 24-ounce can. How can I go wrong from here? Pour me another beer. How can I go wrong from here? Pour me another beer.
Yeah! 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 Yeah!
A few hours later.
All right, this is what we're looking at here. We're coming up out of the floor. We have a piece of PEX, probably like an inch high. Then we have a compression fitting coming into the copper. A valve to turn it on and off. And it comes back up into PEX. Thinking I'm just gonna go 1/2-inch PEX coupling to PEX to 90. PEX 90 and then coupling right into the PEX.
290s, right?
Okay.
Unless something happens to the
We eliminated all of that. And we're back. New tool.
all PEX.
I'm a plumber now.